Yes.
नमस्ते ऑल ऑफ यू। तो जो अभी का जो सेशन है आज का, वास्तु के इम्पोर्टेंट टिप्स जो है वो शिखा जी देने वाली हैं। और हमेशा की तरह मैं भी उत्सुक हूँ जानने के लिए, तो ज्यादा समय नहीं लेते हुए शिखा जी प्लीज आप बताएं।
Today's topic is very small. This is when you start digging. Before construction, you have to dig in the ground. And when you dig, you find different types of substances under the ground. So it is said in the Shastras that if you find bones of different animals, then it is not good. So we'll see if you find different types of bones, like say suppose if you find bones of cows, then
हम्म,
you can get problems from the government or the king, and you get that fear that something the government is going to do to me in whatever way. Suppose there are bones of horse, then you might get disease. If you have bones of dogs, then destructions. There will be having many fights in the members of the home, whose home is now being built on that property. If there are bones of squirrels, then there will be a big loss. If there are bones of the camel, then there will be loss and destruction of progeny. That there will be problems in child beget. Or if it is a goat, then destruction due to fire. So if we find bones of any kind, get them checked. If these bones we find after say 6 or 7 feet inside the ground, 5 feet, then they don't affect us. The
मतलब
effect is
5 फीट से नीचे अगर वो प्राप्त होती है तो कोई प्रॉब्लम वाली बात नहीं है।
4.5-5 feet से फिर तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. But
हम्म,
if they are very close to the ground or within this limit, then this is the effect. Nowadays, we cannot find all this because we live in flats, we buy flats from the builders,
हम्म,
especially the big cities. But still, wherever the person is, you can say, lucky enough to build their own houses and own this thing, they have their own premise and they're doing the new house. This is the thing to be linked. Sir, if you remember, I had asked you when you were doing your redoing your house, did you find anything in the soil? So you
ठीक है।
told me no.
जी
So I was just very curious.
जी
Then there is also one more sutra. The sutra says if the sun, there are some nakshatras of the sun and some nakshatras of the moon in Vastu. Okay, I'll just tell you all which is
जी।
the sun nakshatras.
तो मेन चीज वही कि हड्डी किसी भी प्रकार की हो, यदि वो प्राप्त होती है तो वो आपके लिए अशुभ
वो
है,
बिल्कुल भी अच्छी नहीं
वो
है.
अच्छी नहीं। और 4-5 फीट के नीचे हो तो वो आपको प्रॉब्लमेटिक नहीं।
Right.
This is what.
So 14 nakshatras belong to the sun. That is
हम्म,
Rohini, Mrigashira, Purva Falguni,
हम्म,
Uttra Falguni, Hasta, Chitra, Swati, Vishaka, Anuradha, Jeshta, Mula, Dhanishta, Shatabisha, and Uttra Falguni.
हम्म,
These are the sun nakshatras. And
ठीक
the rest are the moon nakshatras.
है।
Okay. So in the Shastras it was written कि if your moon is in the moon nakshatras,
हम्म,
then if you dig your premises, you can get dravya. Dravya is a good metal, like you can get gold or silver, the costly metals, and the
हम्म,
useful metals like copper and everything. If it is sun is in sun nakshatra, then you will get bones, these bones. Okay.
मीन्स चंद्रमा का नक्षत्र देखना है और सूर्य का नक्षत्र देखना है।
चंद्रमा का सूर्य एंड सूर्य का इन योर नेटल चार्ट, जिनके भी नाम पर वो जमीन है,
हम्म,
in whosever name that land is, check out
हम्म,
the moon nakshatra and the sun nakshatra. They are not according to the planets, the 9 planets. In Vastu, 14 are given to the moon and 14 are given to the sun. I've just given out the sun nakshatras, rest are the moon nakshatras. So if moon is in moon nakshatra, you will get precious metals. If sun is in sun nakshatra, you will get bones. If both are in moon nakshatra, then good metals. If
ठीक है.
both are in sun nakshatras, then it is very bad. If both are in each other's nakshatra, like sun is in moon nakshatra and moon is in sun nakshatra, then you don't get anything.
ओके, ये बहुत महत्वपूर्ण बिंदु बताया आप.
जी
नई जानकारी है, मेरे लिए भी नई जानकारी है.
जी सर. ये लास्ट टाइम जो हम लोग ने वीडियो किया था वहाँ पे जो हम लोग ने योग बताए थे, जो
हम्म,
एंड में जो डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ योग थे, बहुत जने ने आके मेरे व्हाट्सएप पे मैसेज किया था, दिस वी आर हियरिंग फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम.
दिस इज समथिंग न्यू. बहुत अच्छा, बहुत अच्छी जानकारी दी आप.
सो
थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू सो
थैंक
मच शिखा जी.
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू viewers, thank you for liking, subscribing and sharing our work. A big thank you. Without you, our work is cannot reach many people who share, like and subscribe. Thank you, sir. Thank you so
थैंक यू.
much.
थैंक यू.